Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to Abby Juicing. Today we are having an amazing recipe. And to our new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to our channel. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. So our today's recipe is absolutely delicious and the best for a cold winter day. It also helps keep our immune system on check. So onto our today's ingredients, we have almonds, honey, ginger, turmeric, water, and cinnamon. So onto our today's recipe, we are going to start with making our almond milk. And as you can see, first step is to pour the water into the blender so that we'll be able to blend the nuts and be able to get the milk. So let's keep going. So next, now that we have our creamy texture of the almonds, we now want to get our milk out of the creamy texture. So let's keep going. So next we are going to be putting our milk into this net so that we may be able to get the most fine milk. We are in the production process and it's my favorite part, so let's keep going. And just in a few seconds, we are having our almond milk ready. As you can see, our almond milk is all fine. There are no particles. As you can see, there is no residue remaining. So our almond milk is all set. Absolutely delicious. And next we're going to be making our ginger. As you can see, it's always best to grate so that you can be able to get the best flavor. And we are also going to be creating our turmeric, as you can see. So let's keep going. And just like that, our ginger and our turmeric are all ready to go. Our turmeric and our ginger are all grated, and this is the best way to get the flavor. So next we're going to be boiling our almond just for a few minutes to make it warm, depending on how you like it. So next, as our milk is heating for a few minutes, we will go ahead and put the grated turmeric and the grated ginger onto our pot. This is absolutely delicious. And finally, our golden milk is ready. This is the most delicious the most nutritious drink that you can have. Enjoy! So if you like it sweet, you can put any sweetener that you like. But for my case, I will just go ahead and put honey on it. I like putting it. If you like sugar, whatever you like to make it sweet, go ahead. As always, I hope you will find this recipe amazing to try. Please leave a comment down below how you find it. And thank you for watching our today's video. See you in our next video.